Hey folks, just wanted to touch base today on the application fee ban that was passed in the last legislative session, 2023, and went into effect as of January 1, 2024. What does it say? What does it mean? By the way, I'm not an attorney. This isn't legal advice. But essentially, if you're a landlord, it means you can no longer charge an application fee for the processing and running of your applications when you have applicants applying for one of your apartments, one of your houses, whatever the case may be. You can, however, charge your actual cost for that BCI and credit check, and that's all you can charge. However, asterisk, caveat, if the applicant has their own BCI and credit report that they are supplying to you that is within 90 days, you have to accept that. If they don't, you can run your own. And if you do run your own, you then have to give them a copy of that the credit report and the BCI check. Having said all that, it's business as usual. Placing good quality residents that are going to stay and pay the rent on time and take care of your property is the most highly leveraged activity you can do as a landlord. So just because there's an application fee ban in place doesn't mean you should lower your standard, change your process, change your policy, change your process. First of all, make sure you have a process, make sure it's followed for each and every applicant, and make sure you're making those phone calls to the current landlord, the past landlord. Make sure you're following up on the employment history and the information. Make sure you're paying attention to how quickly that applicant submits the information that you're requesting. If they're taking all day, that's not a great sign. This is something they're supposed to want, do, and have motivation for. So if they're taking all day to get you information that's required to apply, that's not a great sign, and you need to keep things moving. But at the end of the day, sticking to your process, making sure you're checking all those boxes is mission critical to finding and placing the best quality residents. Hope this was helpful. If you like it, like and subscribe. Thanks so much.